Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are working on Big Green. We're going to try and get that spring hanger changed. Okay, we're just getting the other one bolted on here. Boy, was that a treat. Trying to get those rivets out of there. Can't get the grinder back in the holes, and trying to get those ones back in there was real fun. So we'll get this bolted on. I have to get a new bolt for the spring here. Alright, let's tighten them up. Are you on the top one? Okay, we got that all bolted on. Now we can get started on the axle. I've already started taking the U-bolts loose so I could get the spring moved back enough to get that hanger out of there. So yeah, we'll keep working on those springs. Sorry, the U-bolts. And we'll get the drive shaft off. Disconnect the brake lines, and it should fall out of there. These U-bolts just are giving us all kinds of problems. And Alan's going to take his turn. Okay, we got one set of U-bolts off. And springs are disconnected. Or, sorry, the springs. The shocks are disconnected. You gotta grab that universal joint quick. Alright, go ahead and get started on that. Might as well start on the other side. Okay, I think we got it all disconnected. We're gonna go ahead and get this out of here. Pick the frame up a little bit. Alright, everything should be clear. Go ahead and drop the jack slowly. Might fall, but oh well. Oh, you know what? We gotta take the jack stands out. Lift that up a little bit.
Sorry, on it.
You gotta take it out and get it in there right. Get it underneath the center of it. Alan.
What?
Underneath the center of it. There you go. Alright. Stand back because it's going to fall. Run over and grab that other jack stand, will you? Hold on. Get back. I don't know, will that jack stand come out? Get it out of there. Alright, I'm gonna put the jack down. Alright, we got the axle removed. Put a new universal joint on that, get the other axle in here. Alright, I got the new axle mounted up. U-bolts, shocks, and the emergency brake cables are connected. Only thing left to do is build our brake lines. Like I said, change that universal joint, get the drive shaft back on. Alright, I guess that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.